Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with Simpler Trading / Chart Patterns Mastery free video for July 30th, 2024. All about lots of big earnings coming out and what happened to them after the close. So I just want to show you the old, I'm not going to say sell on rumor, buy on news, but I am going to tell you that a lot of things started to overshoot. So what are we talking about? We're talking about the QQQ is in this support zone. So just keep that in mind, that support zone. Now on the right, I'm going to show you the after hours. Now keep in mind, the reason I'm showing this on Thinkorswim is I have a tough time showing extended hours on TradingView. So there you go. So the whole idea is this is finally hit lots of support. That's number one. As you see, it's already going up on the right. The other thing I want to show you, and this I will use TradingView, is about the 50% retracement. Now, I'm not Mr. 50% retracement where I'm great with this stuff. That's for Fibonacci Queen. But I will show you the QQQ, and I'm going to show you the 50% retracement. Yeah, we've had this all day in here. So what you had was right here, that 0.5 is the 50% retracement right there. So we're overshooting it. So just keep that in mind, near that 448 support. So I'm not only going on price support and Fibonacci support, I think both of those are important. So we're getting down to that level. That's why I was looking for buy ideas, and the title of this is buys, is I'm finally looking bullish in the Qs. So just keep that in mind in there, that area. That doesn't mean the ES. I'm talking about the Qs. If these rally, I wouldn't be surprised to see the Dow stock start to sell off. So getting back to it though, here is the QQQ. Now, just to let you know, when we trade, our strict interpretation of not trying to buy on the way down. How does that work, buying on the way down? Not good. You got to buy on after the first bounce and the consolidation. Bounce, consolidation. So you're buying on the way up, because here you don't know when it's going to stop. So now let's show you a lot of the stocks that made the QQQ go down after the close. You had AMD. Well, it went straight up. How about Starbucks? It went straight up. How about First Solar? It went straight up. More of the story, a lot of these that have gotten trashed on daily charts, like AMD, had the bar so low that now, it didn't matter what they threw at it. It was probably going to go up. So just keep that in mind in here. I'll show you a number of other ones. Microsoft, you might say, well, Microsoft went down. Even though, the bar was low. Well, really in the grand scheme, it wasn't that low compared to the Microsofts. The AMD. Look at this right here. And to me, it's all the way here. That line was shown before the close. Just to let you know, before the close. But look at that. That's your support. And then look how far AMD's gone down. Look how far First Solar's gone down. So I'm very interested in the First Solars of the world tomorrow, at the minimum, doing spreads over the market. So that's what I'm looking to do in the First Solars. How about some of the other ones? Well, let me show you. NVIDIA. Yeah, I know everybody thought I was crazy when I said it could go to that area. Right in there. The washout. The washout. Guess what? Yeah, you're not going to believe this. It got almost to where I wanted it to. See the red line? This red line. Under 100. It's rallied 6 points. What's that mean to me? Well, means to me tomorrow, Broadcom, NVIDIA, Netflix, all of these I want to play as neutral to up. Now they've had their washout. They're still going to have massive expected moves on the opening, and I'm more than happy to play them over the market. And that's how I want to trade tomorrow. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.